Hey everybody, I'm at the World of Concrete trade show. I'm at the Milwaukee booth with Brittany. Brittany, thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Brittany's going to walk us through the benefits and the features on the MX 27-pound demo hammer, right?
Yes.
This is brand new this year.
Brand new demo hammer to our cordless lineup here.
Yep.
This one's going to really deliver on that corded power, offering over 26 joules of impact energy to really give you confidence in going cordless. It's also going to be fully featured, giving you those features that you're looking for, such as ABS, anti-vibration system.
Yep.
Also going to be equipped with backlink wireless dust control, so you can connect a tool to an extractor.
Like this.
And when you start using the tool, that vacuum will turn on for some extra productivity.
Nice. And the anti-vibration is built into the motor. Is it down in here into the shaft area?
It's built in somewhere to the chuck, and then also up here into the body, kind of allowing that give of the tool, so reducing that vibration the user feels.
And what type of runtime would you get? This is an 8-amp-hour battery.
Yeah, so kitted with our Forge 8-amp-hour battery, you're going to get almost 35 minutes of runtime.
Really?
And if you want to step up to even more, you can put a 12-0 on there and get almost an hour's worth of work done on one battery.
And how much does it weigh?
This one, yes.
Yeah.
So bare tool is going to weigh about 27 pounds. With a battery on there, you're going to get around 35 pounds.
Okay. And then price and availability, bare tool kitted.
Yeah, so this one will be available in June of 2026. We offer both a bare tool and a kit. The bare tool will go for $14.99, and the kit's going to go for $21.99.
The battery just slides down like this. Turn it on here.
Yeah, so you arm it just similar to like our MX. I think it's on. And then you'll just
turn it on.
Can
I try it?
Absolutely.
All right. The switch on here. Very cool.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you so much for explaining.
Yeah,
I really
absolutely.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.